Hello everyone, welcome to Ellustar Fashion World. In today's video, we are going to be looking at common makeup mistakes and how to fix them. So if you don't want to make any makeup mistakes, then this video is for you. Please give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Mistake number 1 is using the wrong foundation. If your foundation is not the right shade or the right formula for your skin, it can look cakey, patchy, and may even break you out. Make sure that you choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and also consider your skin type. If you have dry skin, then you need to use a hydrating foundation. And if you have oily skin, then you need to use a matte foundation. The second mistake is not setting your makeup. If you don't set your makeup, it will not last all day and it will end up looking patchy and faded by the end of the day. Use a translucent powder to set your makeup and make it last longer. Mistake number 3 is applying too much makeup. Applying too much makeup can make you look overdone and it can also clog your pores and cause breakouts. Keep your makeup light and natural looking. If you want to go heavy on one part of your face, then balance it out with the other part. For example, if you are wearing a bold lip, then keep your eye makeup neutral, and if you are wearing a smoky eye, then keep your lip color soft. Mistake number 4 is not blending. If you don't blend your makeup properly, it will look very harsh and it will be very obvious that you are wearing makeup. Take your time to blend your makeup properly so that it looks seamless and natural. Use a makeup sponge or a brush to blend your foundation, concealer, eyeshadow, and any other product that needs to be blended. The fifth mistake is ignoring your skin. If you don't take care of your skin, then no amount of makeup is going to look good. Cleanse, tone, and moisturize your face every day and night. Use sunscreen in the morning and avoid touching your face throughout the day. So these are just a few common makeup mistakes that you should avoid. What are some of the other makeup mistakes that you would like me to cover in this video? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.